After the World War II, town planners became alarmed by the way cities were spreading out. New houses swallowed up villages by the lines of their new houses which stretched along the roads. So in 1955, urban areas were surrounded by green belts, zones where housing is restricted. But the oldest one was established even in 1938 around London. Now green belts are under threat. England has a huge housing shortage. There are a lot of commuters who have to live beyond green belts, and it's one of the reasons why the traffic congestion is terrible. So, some people think that green belts aren't necessary because people have nature reserves. The others oppose any talks that green belts are a kind of derelict land. They think that people can enrich their life by outdoor recreation. Besides, green belts can give habitats to wildlife which has been forced out of the cities. All in all, the problem of conservation is far from being solved soon.